Well, folks, this is typically the time of year when we are really hot across the area and we are under the dome. And it's going to continue to sit right on top of the Lone Star State. You can see this right here, and that is just going to provide that dome, taking away rain chances and bringing a lot of heat to the area. Looks like we will have the chances for some triple digits over the next 2 or 3 days. Then it may come down just a little bit as this breaks down, but it is definitely going to be hot here across the region. As we take a look at our heat advisory, it is for Waco, Temple, Killeen again, up toward Hillsboro, Corsicana, over toward Fairfield and back towards San Saba. Heat index values may approach 105 degrees. Actual air temperatures could be 102, 103 degrees. I think we're going to be probably just below heat advisory criteria, but they just wanted to let you know that this is probably going to be the hottest time that we've seen so far this summer. So again, take some precautions out there. Make sure you're staying hydrated. We get through this pretty easy. High temperatures over the next 7 days, 102 on Wednesday, 103 on Thursday. But just like the summer's been, it doesn't last too long. 100 on Friday, and then we're back in the upper 90s. Saturday, Sunday, going into early next week as well, which is still hot, but that is normal for this time of year. So I do think we will be adding to our 100 account just a little bit out there. As we check in on what's going on with Debbie, as currently a minimal tropical storm off the South Carolina coastline that will continue to ride its way off toward the northeast. Tremendous amounts of rain falling across the Carolinas right now. This will continue to ride its way off toward the north. So if you have any plans to go through the eastern seaboard, well, you're going to want to call ahead on those flights because it looks like it's going to be stormy over there over the next couple of days. For us, the Gulf of Mexico is quiet, but as we head farther to the south, there is some disturbed weather down here across the southern parts of the Caribbean. This part right here really not producing a lot of thunderstorm activity, but as it rides off toward the northwest, we may see the slight potential for some development, about 30% right now as it gets into the southern Gulf by next week. But as of right now, nothing really brings anything to Texas. So for tonight, temperatures will work their way down into the middle 70s for you. Then tomorrow, it's going to be a hot one, but again, we're not dealing with as much humidity, so that 102 will feel like 103, 104, and not 110 or anything like that here across the region. So that is some good news there. And looking at your forecast, 102 on Wednesday, 103 on Thursday, then back down to 100 on Friday, maybe an isolated storm chance as we head into Saturday, and 99 degrees, 98 Sunday, and then upper 90s to near 100. That will probably linger right on through next week with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. And looking at the Brazos Valley, we'll go 99 for you on Wednesday, 100 degrees even Thursday and Friday. Back down into the upper 90s Saturday and Sunday. There's that slight chance of a thunderstorm for you, and then more upper 90s as we head into next week.